Wanna draw creative story illustration like this? All you have to follow the 4 simple steps. First is selecting the reference image. I have used unsplash.com. Second is doing the basic sketch. With appropriate chosen image, draw the basic sketch from it. Third is drawing the basic expression which strikes in your mind. And after that, do the detailed sketch along with the expressions with the help of basic sketch. And last is the coloring. With the chosen palette for the illustration, do the coloring which enhances your creative illustration. And here's the result. I have a Skillshare course regarding the creative story illustration where I have explained it with more sketches and illustrations which elevate your creativity. I have said some of the techniques along with the basic lighting concept and color theory. And don't forget to check out my course in Skillshare.